What's up guys, welcome to the video. Today we're taking care of this road trip disaster, so stay tuned. So this Honda just made it back from a 2,000-mile road trip and it's got the bugs to prove it. But with this exterior detail, we're gonna go from this to this, just using a few simple techniques. Moving on to the products and tools, I'm trying to get some good footage of what's being used, but you can always find links to what I use and what I recommend in the description below. This was my first time trying out the Chemical Guys snow foam, and I was really impressed with the amount of suds produced, as you'll see in a minute here. I added some degreaser and hot water into the foam cannon as well. Even after power washing the car, there's tons of bug guts stuck to the paint. Spraying extra degreaser on those areas will help loosen up those baked on contaminants before I clay bar and polish the car. since these bug guts are pretty much a part of this car's clear coat at this point, I'll go ahead and polish those out along with any scratches to make them less noticeable. But before we pull out the buffer, let's use detailing clay to further decontaminate the paint and prevent scratches or swirls when polishing. Time to pull out some tools and get this paint restored. I'm using a Meguiar's Fine Cut Cleaner compound paired with a microfiber cutting pad. I've gotten fantastic results with this combination in the past when I pair it with my dual action polisher. In this detail, a good wax will seal the paint for the coming months, although it would be awesome to get a ceramic coating done on this car in the future. If you're interested in DIY ceramic coating technology that can seal and protect paint for over 4 years, check out the link below. I'll be doing a ceramic coating video in the near future to showcase how amazing it is. The owner wanted to get some of these scratches looking a little bit better, so I went ahead and got that done before applying tire shine and wrapping up this exterior detail. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for future content, and feel free to check out any of the prior videos. But now, enjoy that before and after.